Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can change the language of your application. So go to user settings here, scroll down until you find the language tab and you're going to select that. So right now it's in the English US setting. For instance, I want it to be in, I don't speak any of these languages. Okay, let's do Spanish. And as you can see, it's going to be in Spanish. It's just going to change automatically. You don't have to restart it. But if it doesn't work, maybe just restart it first. And as you can see now, the app language is in Spanish. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.